Okay, good morning guys. We're back at the gym. Today is Saturday afternoon. I didn't go to the gym for a couple of days because you have to take rest because our body system need the rest first at least 24 hours to 48 hours because we cannot go to the gym 7 days a week because our body system or muscle got fatigue. So today we're gonna do a tire flipping. Okay, let's go started workout. Okay guys, one set is down, another set is coming. The gym today quite busy a bit, so always perform stretching before you jump into the gym, and remember always proper form and technique. It help you a lot guys. Okay, last one. Okay, probably that's for today. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.